I'm here in the small seaside town of Katakalon in western Greece. Pretty much everyone who visits this port heads straight to Olympia, where the Olympic Games were born. But not me. Other than a quick walk around the archaeological museum with its impressive collection of artifacts and sculptures, I have no intention of following the crowds. Instead, I plan to taste my way around this very pretty town. Driving away from town and near Olympia, I arrive at Magna Grecia farms, where they grow and make all kinds of things, mainly olives and oils, but other vegetables and wine too. I meet the owner, Franca, who plans to show me around. She welcomes me with a homemade pastry filled with feta and spinach and a glass of her farm's wine.
Very welcome.
Nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you.
Well, I didn't expect this. Franca set up this table overflowing with some of the goodies from the farm. There are lots of olives marinating away.
And welcome to our farm.
Thank you, Franca.
Thank you for coming.
It's so beautiful here.
You like?
Yeah, it's
Thank
beautiful. You. And what a spread. All from your farm?
Of course, yes. There is our vegetable garden.
And a lot of olives?
Yes.
Is that the main production?
That is the main production that we have, the olives. And we have a Koroneiki variety, the teeny little one that you see around here.
Yeah, the beautiful
and
tree.
The Kalamata variety.
I love
that
Kalamata.
we proceed them for as a table olive.
They look very
the
large.
black one there, yes. And other local green ones. This is our extra virgin olive oil that has been cold pressed. We do a separate pressing for the Koroneiko, and after the blend for all the other varieties.
When's the harvest time for the olives usually?
End of October we start, beginning of November, and we need at least 6 weeks to finish the whole work, the whole harvesting.
So everything is really from here?
Yes,
I love
everything
that.
is from our vegetable
And
garden.
these are jams or?
I prepare with the onion jam that is very nice, is this one here. It's very nice on the cheese, feta cheese in this case, but can be on Parmigiano as well, you know. And after we have, I prepare my pepper jam with these peppers, but also chili peppers. And this is the pepper jam.
Also you are so busy.
We are busy, yeah. The whole family is working here at the farm.
So how long has the farm actually been here?
The farm as cultivations is a third generation farm, but we opened the doors to the guests 4 years ago. We decided with my husband
to share your
share.
joy.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's fantastic. And these, what's on here? You have a nice looking
It's a sausage locally made with very selected pork meat, and orange peel is how they used to do in this area, to add orange peel into the sausage. Yes. And the brochette is prepared with our ingredients, which are feta cheese and Kalamata olives. And the white spread on the bread is called the tirokafteri. We prepare with the feta cheese and the chili pepper, lemon and oregano.
Oh, so it has a little kick to that one, yeah?
It is very nice with the red wine as well. It goes very nice with the red wine.
Very nice.
Would
Do you want me to try a Kalamata
side or
first?
from here?
I think they probably want to keep the cameras this way, so we have to reach.
So please, and I didn't bring the, try to taste this way. And for the piece maybe. Okay.
It's like eating fruit off the tree.
It's very natural. We don't use potassium when we proceed the olives, but just water and salt and vinegar. And we wait, we put in that pot there, and we wait over 2 months to have them ready. Of course, yes.
Oh my God, that's delicious. And how much salt do you have to get salt?
10% of salt. 10% of salt, a big cup of vinegar, and some aromas as carrots. You can see carrots and celery.
Okay.
And lemon juice for the green ones. Would you like to taste the green ones as well?
Absolutely. All that stuff, food, olives. Oh my gosh.
Would you like to taste the
pepper? How much are you gonna give me? Okay. What should we taste now? I'll be happy to taste. Well, I could just sit here all day and eat this, but we have a lot to do.
Would you like to taste the onion jam as well?
I may as well try
Really?
the onion. Yeah. May as well.
Okay, go on.
You see, I never say
Go
no.
on tasting. Now,
This will be it because
just a little here.
I promise. Oh, that has a real kick to it.
wonderful.
This is great. I really wish I could stay all day.
Please, you can stay.
Thank you. It's lovely. This is fantastic.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. If you need something more clean and plain
Clean and
plate, you
plain?
can have
Okay,
it.
I will.
So you go
All
on
right.
eating.
Yamas to you.
Yamas. Yamas.
It's a pretty drive through green fields of olive trees and vineyards, and I'm heading to Mercouri Winery for what I think is a brief tasting. Little do I know that owner Christos has other ideas. Even when I tell him that I have other places to visit and a cruise ship to catch, he can't seem to stop walking and talking and giving me a history of the family's 150 years of wine production. When's this tasting, Christos? He takes me around this wine museum, shows me the barrel room. Well, the wine does smell fantastic. I finally think it's time to sit with the cats and have our tasting.
Okay, we are on a table with a few of our
Quite a
wines.
few. I know we can't taste them all.
Anyway, what probably we taste is a couple of our whites, a couple of our reds, all grown here. All grown here, with the exception of one of the whites that you will try first, which is a Greek variety, Roditis, known in Peloponnese. It's the clone fox, as it's called. It's very likable. Also, has all these fruit of flower fruit and citrus things. And it has a little of Viognier.
A little Viognier.
10% of Viognier.
So is it ageable then because of the Viognier?
2 years. 2 years, no more. I think all white, Greek white wines is good to be consumed within the first 2 years. Okay.
Oh, that's really nice.
The other one is two varieties, Greek varieties. It's 60% Assyrtiko, 40% Robola. Is also 2013.
These are nice and fresh. And really, these are good for a hot Greek day, for sure.
And good food and good,
food.
And good company,
I know.
you.
Thank you. I see good food on the table. I wish we had lots more time because we're so good.
Well, next time. Always there is a next time.
That's what's good about this.
Yeah,
we come, we see a place, we know what we want to come back to visit.
Exactly. Probably we'll try our main red wine, Refosco and Mavro Daphne grapes. Refosco was brought here in 1864 and became known in Greece as the Mercouri variety. But basically it's from northern Italy and was introduced here by our grandfather who lived there, and you know.
Glad he did that.
This particular bottle we have here is slightly young, is it 2011. It's at its very best after 7 years, okay? So it's a bit young and it's...
but you still get nice fruitiness in there. Mavro Daphne usually made into sweet wine?
Mavro Daphne is made in sweet wine, and this one that if we have time you will try is Mavro Daphne dried in the sun together with Corinthian grapes, also dried in the sun.
Nice.
We have time for one more.
One more.
This is two varieties, one Greek, which is 𝐓𝐢𝐿𝐴 from the island of Zakynthos, and Mourvèdre. You know Mourvèdre is from Provence and from Spain. They match well, they married well, and this is a bit more tannic. Okay, this is it. Sort of 2011 also. Okay, still young, but but it will age. Both age very well.
Okay, this was a great tasting, Christos. And thanks for giving us wine to take with us. Yamas.
Yamas, to your very nice Greek summer, okay?
Before getting back on the ship, I want to have some typical Greek food and find a perfect place on the promenade by the water. The owner's there, and she's very pleased to make a few special things for me. I had no idea she'd make me so much. And when I had to go, she wrapped up what was left for me to take. Talk about Greek hospitality.
It's delicious.